doggy. His name is Jack. Say hi, Jackie. Hi. Hi. I love him very much. Sometimes I call him Baby Jackie because he's my little baby. So here's him coming to me with my feet. And then sometimes he does this. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, little baby. Oops, sorry. That was my 20th thing, you know. Oh, sorry, baby. Little baby. Who's my baby? Love him so much. Sometimes he growls. Oh, you don't get it. He's throwing up his tail. Yeah. Okay. And there's my living room over here. So, I cannot tell you my address. No. Here's my horsey. That's not real. I just sit down because I walked it like that. Couch. Ooh, TV. Not really cool. Pillow pads. And down. My dad's room. Okay. He's my baby again. So that is my doggy. Isn't he cute? His name's Jack, and he got adopted from us at the rescue shelter. And his sister's name is, guess, wait for it. Jackie, tell us what your sister's name is. Jill. It's Jack and Jill. I'm Jack, she's Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a bucket of water. Jack fell down, broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. So bye! Oh, you're so cute. Bye.